Did you know that over 50 million Americans live with chronic pain, and nearly 40% now turn to natural remedies for relief? Prescription medications aren't the only answer, and today, we're diving into science-backed natural pain relief hacks that actually work. Stay tuned, one of these might surprise you. As more people seek alternatives to traditional painkillers, driven by concerns over side effects, dependency, and the desire for holistic health, natural pain relief methods are taking center stage. From ancient herbal remedies to modern lifestyle tweaks, these solutions aren't just trendy. They're rooted in research. Let's explore why nature might hold the key to managing pain safely and effectively. Pain management is a tightrope walk. Medications like NSAIDs can irritate your stomach, opioids carry addiction risks, and even over-the-counter options like acetaminophen have liver toxicity concerns. Add to that the frustration of treatments that don't work for everyone, and it's no wonder people are searching for alternatives. But which natural methods are backed by real science and which are just hype? Let's break it down. Let's dive into the science and practicality of natural pain relief. No fluff, just actionable strategies backed by research. We'll cover herbs, body hacks, and daily habits that actually work, with tips to make them part of your routine. Let's start with herbal remedies. Nature's pharmacy. 1. Turmeric. Curcumin blocks inflammatory enzymes, COX2, like ibuprofen, but without gut irritation. A 2021 phytotherapy research study found it reduces arthritis pain as effectively as NSAIDs. How to harness it? Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric with half a teaspoon black pepper, boosts absorption, into warm almond milk for a golden latte. Pro tip: pair it with healthy fats, like coconut oil, for better uptake. 2. Ginger. Gingerols inhibit prostaglandins, easing muscle soreness. A 2020 nutrient study showed 2 grams daily cuts post-workout pain by 25%. DIY remedy. Grate fresh ginger into boiling water, steep for 10 minutes, and add honey. Sip pre-workout to preempt soreness. 3. Boswellia, frankincense. This resin blocks leukotrienes, inflammatory molecules linked to joint pain. A 2020 Journal of Ethnopharmacology trial found it improves knee osteoarthritis mobility in 8 weeks. Quick fix: look for supplements standardized to 60% boswellic acids. Take 300 milligrams with breakfast for systemic relief. 4. Arnica Gel. Helinulin in arnica disrupts inflammatory cytokines. A 2021 Frontiers in Physiology review confirmed it reduces bruising and muscle pain better than placebo. Pro tip: apply Arnica Gel to sore areas pre or post-exercise, but avoid broken skin. 5. Willow Bark. Salicin converts to salicylic acid, aspirin's ancestor, easing back pain. A 2013 phytotherapy research study matched it to synthetic drugs for efficacy. Brew it right, steep 1 to 2 grams dried willow bark in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink 1 to 2 times daily, avoid if aspirin sensitive. Enjoying these natural pain relief tips? Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It really helps me get the message out. Okay, let's get back to it. Moving on to physical therapies. Move smart, hurt less. 1. Myofascial release, foam rolling. Breaking up fascial adhesions boosts blood flow and mobility. A 2019 Journal of Sports Rehabilitation study found 2 minutes daily increases range of motion by 10 to 15%. How to do it? Roll slowly over tight muscles for 30 seconds each. Breathe deeply. It shouldn't feel like torture. 2. Contrast therapy, hot-cold. Alternating heat relaxes blood vessels, and ice reduces swelling, accelerates healing. A 2022 Journal of Clinical Medicine paper recommends 3 minutes hot, 1 minute cold, repeated 3 times. At-home hack. Use a hot water bottle and ice pack on stiff joints. Finish with cold to reduce inflammation. 3. Hydrotherapy. Warm water buoyancy eases joint pressure. A 2021 Rheumatology International study showed aquatic exercise slashes fibromyalgia pain by 40% in 12 weeks. Try this. Add Epsom salts, magnesium sulfate, to a warm bath. Soak for 20 minutes to relax muscles and reduce stiffness. Finally, let's take a look at some lifestyle tweaks. Small shifts, big relief. 1. Mindful breathing for stress. Stress spikes cortisol, worsening inflammation. A 2019 JAMA internal medicine study found 10 minutes of daily mindfulness cuts perceived pain by 30%. Daily habit. Try 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds. Repeat 5 times to calm nerves. 2. Hydration hacks. Dehydration thickens blood, reducing oxygen to muscles. A 2018 Journal of Clinical Medicine study linked proper hydration to fewer cramps and headaches. Rule of thumb: drink half your body weight, pounds, in ounces daily. Add a pinch of Himalayan salt to water for electrolytes. 3. Posture, reset. Slouching strains neck and back muscles. A 2020 applied ergonomics study found ergonomic setups reduce workplace pain by 50% in 2 months. Quick fix: set phone reminders to check posture hourly. Align ears over shoulders and hips over ankles. 4. Nature therapy. A 2025 Nature Communications study found even virtual nature scenes reduce pain by calming brain regions linked to nociception. Try this. Take a 15-minute forest bath walk daily or stream nature sounds while working. Synergy alert: combine for maximum impact. Turmeric plus yoga. Curcumin reduces inflammation while yoga improves joint mobility. Boswellia plus hydrotherapy. Pair anti-inflammatory herbs with low-impact water exercises for arthritic relief. Arnica plus foam rolling. Apply Arnica post-rolling to ease muscle tenderness. Final tip: track progress in a journal. Note what works, adjust what doesn't. Natural methods aren't instant, but they're sustainable. Now, let's zoom in on the heavy hitters of natural pain relief. Herbs and strategies so effective, they've stunned researchers and users alike. Leading the pack is turmeric, but not just any turmeric. When paired with black pepper, hello piperine, its absorption skyrockets, making it a 1-2 punch against inflammation. A 2021 phytotherapy research study found daily curcumin supplementation matched NSAIDs for easing arthritis pain, without the gut-wrenching side effects. Imagine swapping your pill bottle for a golden latte. But here's where it gets even better. Boswellia, the frankincense resin used for millennia, isn't just ancient history. Modern science shows it blocks leukotrienes, inflammatory molecules that literally stiffen your joints. In a 2020 Journal of Ethnopharmacology trial, osteoarthritis patients reported better mobility in just 8 weeks with Boswellia. No prescriptions needed. Then there's Willowbark, nature's original aspirin. Its active compound, salicin, targets prostaglandins, the same pain triggers as synthetic drugs, but gentler on your stomach. A 2013 phytotherapy research study proved it rivals conventional meds for back pain relief. Pro tip: brew it as tea, and you've got a pharmacy in your pantry. And don't forget Arnica Gel. This daisy-derived powerhouse isn't just for bruises. A 2021 review in Frontiers in Physiology confirmed its ability to outpace placebos for muscle soreness. Slather it on post-workout and you'll feel the difference by morning. But the real game changer: combining these with physical therapies. Picture this. After a turmeric-boosted smoothie, you hit the foam roller to release muscle tension, then alternate heat and ice on a stubborn knee. Science says this combo tackles pain from every angle, reducing inflammation, improving mobility, and speeding recovery. These aren't just alternatives, they're upgrades. No side effects, no dependency, just your body healing with nature, not against it. Let's review the toolkit you've just unlocked. Herbs like turmeric, ginger, and boswellia aren't just kitchen staples. They're inflammation-fighting powerhouses, backed by studies showing they rival conventional meds for conditions like arthritis and muscle pain. Willowbark steps in as nature's aspirin, and Arnica Gel becomes your go-to for post-workout soreness. Pair these with simple hacks, like adding black pepper to turmeric or brewing fresh ginger tea, and you've got science working in your favor. Then there's movement that heals. Foam rolling breaks up stubborn knots. Contrast therapy. hot and cold, speeds recovery, and hydrotherapy lets water buoyancy take pressure off aching joints. Even small lifestyle shifts, mindful breathing to dial down stress, staying hydrated to prevent cramps, or tweaking your posture, add up to big relief. And don't underestimate the power of a walk in the woods, or even virtual nature, to quiet pain signals in your brain. Here's the bottom line. Natural pain relief isn't about one miracle cure. It's about layering these strategies: turmeric with yoga, Boswellia with hydrotherapy, Arnica with foam rolling, to create a ripple effect. While these methods might take time, they're sustainable, side effect friendly, and put you in control. Final takeaway: pain doesn't have to be a life sentence. With these tools, you're not just masking discomfort, you're rewiring your body's response to it. The best part? You can start today, one golden latte or foam rolling session at a time. If you've tried natural pain relief, share your story below. What worked for you? Let's build a community of solutions. And until next time, here's to a life with less pain and more you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this content helpful. If you liked the video, I'd really appreciate it if you took a second and gave it a thumbs up. Interested in more science-backed, down-to-earth wellness gems? Then you'll want to subscribe and hit the bell. Don't forget to check out the next video we've lined up for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Join us as we make science simple, one herbal hack at a time.